Oh mein Gott, Ronaldo! Modric! Oh mein Gott, bitte! Bitte sei was wert, Digga. Oh mein Gott.
Boateng! Oi, oi, oi.
Alter, und
Das ist mal ein besseres Pack auf jeden Fall.
Oh,
Alter, Costa
geht's
auch noch.
Leute.
Yes! First sick player!
Ribéry!
Boah,
Dass
den
der
hab
auch
ich
noch eine
schon
87 hat, aber finde ich auch
Alter,
krass.
guck mal die Kurve.
Oh, Junge, wir haben eine Legende, was geht? Laudrup.
Oh my god! I've got freaking legend gigs! Gigs in the pack! Oh my god!
Messi!
¡Callarlos como una leyenda! ¡Fernando Hierro! ¡Vamos! ¡Just ahí! ¡Oh my god! We got a legend! Messi! We just got Messi in a pack! Yes!
Freaking another. Oh! 87 rated R2! I've already got him, but I will happily accept him again. Come on. Oh my goodness, we just got Robin. Oh my days. Please. Ah! Fuck it! Oh no, my controller's broken. We got a purple! Yes! You see Jamie Carragher. Oh my god, we got Ribery! Oh! Yes! Oh, that's sick. Oh my god, we got Lewandowski! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Okay. Oh! Yes, please, Sergio Ramos, another 87.
¡Ronaldo!
Oh my god! We just got Legend Lundberg! That is something that I can shout at. I can't even speak. I'm gone. We just got a legend.
Oh, yes! Oh, that's a good one! Iets met de België. Hassan! Holy shit! Oh shit! The nose pack of dreams! The nose pack of dreams, guys!
Oh, Info Ronaldo! Oh my god!
Oh mein Gott! Jungs, ich hab Messi gezogen. In FIFA 16. Nein, was soll ich dazu sagen? Jungs, Lionel Messi im Pack.
Oh mein Gott, oh mein Gott, Wallah, ich hab Messi gezogen. Kann Wallah, Messi und Lewandowski. Kann Wallah, ich hab Messi gezogen. Kann.
Look what we get. We get a freaking Ronaldo. I know it's not a live reaction, but at the time I think it was like 2 a.m.
Yes! What a pack! Iron Robin!
No, I've just packed you an informed Sanchez. You can't say.
Oh, yes, Philip Lahm! We got a good player! We got Philip Lahm, 87 rated. Oh my god, fucking Van Basten in the fucking pack!
Oh my days! Decent, and it is. We actually get Aguero, baby! I remember when I packed him, dude. Spencer was right next to me.
Oh my god, third legend of the year! Third fucking legend of the year. I can't believe this.
Uh-oh. Oh, shit! We just got rid of Neymar! Let's fucking go! Speaking of Neymar!
Like 300. Oh! Holy fucking shit! Holy flippin' shit! Ibrahimovic! No way!
Oh, shit! No, Peter! Peter, just fucking Ronaldo! No way! I just fucking packed Ronaldo! Bro!
No, Dad! No way! Bro, it's only my brother.
Oh my god, this is all! I'm fucking done! I'm actually fucking done!
Skip. Oh, no fucking way! Holy shit! Oh my flipping god! Holy shit, the best informed!
Right wing. Oh shit! Man, I just fucking back Messi! No fucking way! Oh shit!
Okay, what? Guys, Ibra, guys! Nah! What the fuck? I got fucking Ibra!
Yes! Yes! Buzzard! Fucking hell!
Oh, we hebben een Bill. We hebben een Bill. Holy fuck. Oh mijn god, we hebben een Bill.
Oh my god. Not again! It's happening again!
Has it been a good start? Like, I just, have no idea. Okay, let's start that one in the club again.
Luck on the fourth count, yes! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god! Yes, I actually packed one!
On the package, we've got no one. That would be so bad. Okay, let's join the club. For the 1 million coming back.
Just give me an in. Oh my god! Oh my... No! Where the fuck? Nah!
What? Oh my god! Legend! Fucking hell!
Me! No, that's not me! Act like a waste man, that's not me! Sex in the girl, no, that's not me!
2-0. What? Oh my god! What the hell?
We're gonna get... No, not again. Not again! How? The first pack that I opened, I got bailed. Can you believe it? No, you can't. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Alter, krank, Junge. Heftig. Junge. Da ist er, der Neue. Der Neue! Stefan, Abschied getopft und Cavani.
Oh mein Gott!
Oh mein Gott, was ist da los, Alter? Junge, wer ist das? Iniesta, 88er mit Ansage und Ronaldo. Boateng, 87. Guardado auch noch dabei, Alter.
Geile Frisur, der abschnellsten.
Skabek. Oh mein Gott! Alter, Roberto Carlos! Und Aguero, du Scheiße! Oh mein Gott!
Leyenda. Van Nistelrooy, chaval.
¿Ha finito?
No. Luis Suárez. Hostia, que se me cae la botella, se me cae todo. El puto Luis Suárez, chaval. ¡Oh! ¡Leyenda! ¡Soken! ¡Estamos leyenda, Soken! Oh, Thiago Silva! Vi får Thiago Silva! Oi.
Here we go. All centre back from Italy, Chiellini, 87. We have upgraded it.
Oh my god, no way! Oh my god, we managed to get Cristiano!
Oh, Rodriguez, James, 87. It's another 87. He's level with Chiellini.
Oh my god, I've just got Ronaldo again. I can't believe this. I've just packed Ronaldo twice.
Oh, that was it! His first pack! What are the chances? Oh, Robin! Yes! Come on! We got him! The 90 rated player!
No!
Yes! Ronaldo! No! Messi! Literally 2 or 3 packs after we got Ronaldo and Robin, we've got Messi!
Then we collapse.
Yes! Fucking finally! Yes! Come on!
Yes! Oh my god, that's fucking sick. Bang!
Aguero! Yes! Oh!
Tobias was in the flat right now. I'm sure he'd come in and slap the shit out of me.
Oh, Rodriguez!
Now that is a yes!
Dickhead!
Oh, Jesus! Legend! Oh, snap!
Come on! Oh, inform! Oh, who is it? No, it's Herrera! We're getting informed, lads. That is the